Welcome to Amazon PPC Troubleshooting Group. My name is Brian Johnson, and over the last few years, I've had the privilege of helping over 20,000 brands sell better on Amazon using my advertising strategies. In fact, my agency has now managed over $300 million in sales revenue. Now, I say this because this gives me a unique perspective across a lot of different products and brands to help you move your business forward. Whether your current skill level is beginner, intermediate, or advanced, this community is designed to help you advance your level of knowledge of promoting your brand and products on Amazon. Now, in the announcements section of this group, I've also put a set of resources from free to paid that help you accelerate the learning curve and stay up to date with the constant changes to Amazon's ad platform. These include the frequently asked questions, or FAQ, which includes about 40 great questions and my responses to those concerns. I've also built the 17-step advertising optimization and expansion checklist. Now, in 2015, I introduced the first dedicated PPC analysis software for Amazon sellers called PPC Scope. A long way has come, and version 3 is going to be debuting this fall, and I'm really looking forward to some of the advanced technology available. I'll also host webinars and podcasts that dive deep into specific topics that need your attention. Stay tuned, I'll post those in the group for you. Now, all these resources, I'll add these into the comments down below in this post. For now, do me a favor, introduce yourself to the community, dive into the training materials that I provided in the announcement section, and ask questions to the group. Now, if you're thinking, I need a lot more help than a few helpful resources and checklists, it means your brand is mature to the point where you're ready to step up to the next level. For those brands, I have a couple of options you'll want to consider. For those wanting to be hands-on, my professional Amazon advertising training course, Sponsored Products Academy 3, is a 4-week in-depth course to teach the leading ad strategies from beginner through advanced to successfully grow and profit this year, including all the latest ad types Amazon rolled out recently. Now, if having an advanced ad team at your beck and call so you can focus on the areas that really need your attention, then request a strategy call with my done-for-you full-service advertising agency, Canopy Management. Again, I'll put that link down in the comments below here. In the meantime, welcome to the group, and I look forward to speaking with you further.